Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
The Victor M326 Professional Rat Trap is an easy-to-use rodent trap with a simple setup process. This product is a popular choice among professionals and homeowners who are looking to eliminate rats from their homes. This trap features a classic wood design with over 100 years of proven results. The different parts include the kill bar, the arm bar, and the pedal. While the Victor Rat Trap is simple and straightforward to use, many homeowners can find it difficult to arm without injury, or they may just be uncomfortable or intimidated. Additionally, the traps themselves are difficult to clean for reuse, and it can be a hassle just to remove a dead rat. Owners get around this by throwing the trap with the dead rat still in it into the garbage together, but you can consider that a waste of money. If you're looking for an easier and more economical way to catch and eliminate rats from your home, check out the Solutions Easy Set Rat Trap. This trap is made with a durable plastic and is designed to be reused multiple times. The design of this trap makes it safer to set. To set the trap, simply pull back on the upright bar until the trap locks into place. To disarm the trap, just press down on the bar and tilt the trap towards the pedal to release the bar from the hook. Then gently allow the bar back into its neutral position. The trap's design also makes it easier to release a dead rodent once it's been caught without having to handle the rodent directly. Simply pull back the upright bar and the rodent will simply fall out of the trap's clutches. Now just rinse the trap with water and it's ready to be used again. If you want to eliminate a rat infestation without the hassle of dealing with rats personally, then consider using eradication rodenticide bait blocks set within a rat and mouse bait station. By using baits, you can kill rodents without directly handling them. Just set eradication into the station, close the station, and set it up along your exterior perimeter or fence. Rodents will be attracted to the eradication scent, consume the bait inside the station, and will die in the field within 5 to 7 days. It may take up to 2 weeks to see a noticeable reduction in rodent activity. Before using the Victor rat traps, be sure to wear gloves. Wearing gloves anytime you handle rat traps is important to prevent yourself from leaving any human-scented oils that rodents will avoid. The Victor rat trap comes with the arm bar stapled to the board. To start, remove the staple and allow the arm bar to hang over the rear of the trap. Before proceeding further, it's a good idea to bait the trap now. Set your bait inside the reservoir on the trap's pedal. We recommend you use a bait that's odorous and high in protein, like peanut butter. Once the trap is baited, it's time to arm it. Arming the trap is simple. While holding the trap with the pedal furthest from you, lift up the trap's kill bar and pull it back towards you. Hold it in place against the wood board with your thumb. Then swing the arm bar over the kill bar to hook the end underneath the trap's pedal. Use your free hand to lift the pedal slightly. Gently release pressure from the kill bar so that the arm bar properly hooks into place. You'll notice 2 setting options on the pedal when you go to hook the arm bar, F for firm and S for sensitive. The firm setting allows you to set the trap easier, but it takes slightly more pressure for the trap to trigger. The sensitive setting makes the trap trickier to arm, but also easier to set off. If you're setting up your rat traps in areas where you expect heavy vibrations, like around active construction, we recommend you arm your rat traps on the firm setting. Once the trap is armed to your liking, handle the trap by the end, away from the pedal as you set the trap in place. You can set snap traps anywhere in your home, but they're most effective when placed in areas with the most pest activity, away from frequented areas. For the best results, set your traps near baseboards, corners, along walls, or in spaces where rodents are likely to travel. Thanks to the trap's small size, it can be discreetly placed underneath or behind furniture or appliances without drawing any attention. Just be sure to set the traps with the pedal closest to the wall and out of reach of any children or pets. While setting multiple traps, be sure to set them with at least 3 feet of distance from each other. After you've set your traps, we recommend you check them daily. If you haven't caught anything, you may need to change the placement of your traps. Perhaps do a closer inspection for signs of rodent activity, such as grease marks along the bottom of a wall, and set your traps closer to there. To disarm a trap for safer movement, simply press the kill bar down to the wood with one thumb. The trap won't swing as long as you're holding the kill bar down. Then use your free hand to lift and unhook the arm bar from the pedal. Swing the arm bar so it hangs off the end of the trap. Grip the trap with your free hand and gently release pressure from the kill bar, slowly allowing the kill bar back into its neutral position. If you found you've caught a rat with the trap, you can dispose of the entire thing for clean removal, or you can dispose of just the rat if you want to clean and reuse the trap. Shop for Victor rat traps on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon on the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.